Welcome to Concurrency in Go, a short course designed to quickly get you up and running in concurrency in the Go programming language. I'm Stan Van Gilder, and I look forward to leading you through this course. In addition to a background in computer engineering, I spent over 2 decades at a Fortune 150 company, working with leading-edge technology and innovation, and consulting with others on how to maximize the benefits of technology within organizations. In this course, you'll fully understand concurrency at a high level, which will help you out in any language. We'll also cover all concurrency tools within the Go language. You'll see examples of effective usage, as well as how to avoid common mistakes that lead to frustrating intermittent bugs. You'll receive dozens of code samples for experimentation, so you can quickly adopt concurrency into your own projects. By the end of this course, you'll have all the knowledge, practice, and sample code you need to confidently approach your next concurrency challenge. Education plus experience equals mastery. That's the process we'll follow throughout this course. If you're curious about concurrency, especially in the Go programming language, you're in the right place. The ideal student need have no experience whatsoever in concurrency, but some familiarity with the Go programming language or another language that has concurrency available will be helpful. Spoiler alert, I think you'll be impressed at how powerful and easy it is to implement concurrency in your own projects. Take a look at the course curriculum and try the free sample lectures as you like. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose, but concurrency confidence and expertise to gain in one of the world's hottest programming languages. So now, it's good to have you here, and I hope you're ready to get started. Look forward to working with you, and I will see you on the inside.